I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So today I'd like us to start off our analysis with the Euro USD. So this is what we are having on USD. We are having a very good resistance level here. We have another resistance here. We have a resistance here, and we have a resistance there. These are like the supply zones, and then we have a support here. We have another supply zone here, sorry, demand zone, and then the last one is the one we have at the bottom, which is this and this one. So if the price hits any of these levels, that is going to give us the ideal place to look for either a buy from or a sell from, depending on whether it's a supply zone or it is a demand zone. The demand zones are the red lines, they are the green lines. The supply zones are the red ones. So when the price touches any of the red lines, we'll be looking for a sell. When the price touches any of the green lines, we'll be looking for a buy position. My next chart is gold. So with the gold so far, we've had price continue to the lower side. We've seen several bearish break of structures. You can see here, we had a bearish break of structure, another one, and another one here. So as it is right now, the price is headed for a sell. We just want to see a clear breakout below this bearish break of structure. If the price breaks below it, then we want to wait for a retracement back to a same level to pick a possible sell positions, expecting that the sellers will push us even lower. The next chart is GBP USD. So with the GBP USD so far, we are looking at these levels. We have the first resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, and we have a support here. If the price should break below any of these green lines, that will be a very good indication that the price is now continuing in the direction of the breakout, which is downwards. And in case the price breaks above any of the red lines, that will be an indication that the price is going to continue to the upside. So we are just waiting to see what happens. Anytime the price breaks any of the green zones, we'll look for a sell. If the price bounces off from any of the green zones, we'll be looking for a buy position. In case the price breaks above any of the red zones, we'll be expecting a continuation to the upper side. So that is my opinion on this chart. The next chart is Brent oil. Brent oil, we have a very good resistance here. We have another resistance, we have another resistance, and we have another one here. We have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So technically, that's what I want to say. Those are the key levels I want us to focus on. There are not much of break of structures on this chart, except for this point here. This was not a good one, this was a good one, this was a good one, a good one. This was not a good one, this was a good one, but these two were good ones. My other chart is BTC USD. So with the BTC USD so far, we have a very good support here. We have a support, we have a support, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So as it is right now, as the price is moving right now, we expect that should the price break above this red zone, it will be a very good sign that we are now continuing to the upper side, and we will expect the price to continue upwards at least up to this point here. But if the price bounces off from it, then we will expect a reversal to the lower side back towards this trend line here. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. So this is upwards. We are having a very good resistance. We have a resistance, we have a support here. We have a support, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support. So as it is right now, we keep looking for buy positions, we keep looking for buy orders, expecting that the buyers will push us to the upper side, at least up to somewhere around this level here, this red zone. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.